Students, in today's maths class, we will discuss the further types of the topic probability. So far, we have discussed first 4 objectives. Today, we will discuss next objectives. Objective number 5 is probability for complementary events. And objective number 6 is probability in case of any date from a month. Definition of complementary event is if E is an event. We know that E stands for an event. Then the event not E will be the complementary event. It is denoted by E bar. Now I will give you one example of complementary event which will make the meaning of complementary event more clear to you. Let us suppose that there is cricket match between team A and team B in which team A won and team B has lost. Therefore, P of E is equals to team A wins. And what will be P of not E? P of not E means team A lose. If team A has lost, it means team B has won. So, this was all about the meaning of complementary events. Now, I will give you some tips related to complementary events. Here are some tips related to complementary event. Complement of an event is denoted by E bar, E dash or E raised to power C, where C stands for complement. Let E be an event. Then we have P of E lies between 0 and 1. P of E is equals to 1 minus P of not E. P of not E is equals to 1 minus P of E and P of E plus P of not E is equals to 1. By adding these two values, we will get 1. Now, let us discuss a question related to complementary events. Statement is if the probability of Ankita winning a tennis match is 0.63, then what is the probability of her losing the match? Now start with the solution. Let E be the event, Ankita winning the match. Then P of E is equals to 0.63. It is given to us. What we have to find? We have to find probability of her losing. It means we have to find P of not E. Now we know that Ankita losing the match equals to P of not E. Here I have told you. Now P of not E. As we have discussed in the tips, P of not E is equals to 1 minus P of E. What is P of E? 0.63. Put here. So now subtract. We know how to do subtraction in case of decimal. We will write 1.00. 0.63. Subtracted, we will get 0.37 by subtracting. So this is the probability when Ankita will lose the match. Now, I have written one line, that is, note that winning the match and losing the match are the complementary event, as we have discussed with that example of cricket match between team A and team B. Now, start with the problem related to date of a month. Firstly, we will read the statement. Statement is, Rohit chooses a date at random in March for a picnic. Find the probability that he chooses first part a Thursday, second part a Sunday, and third part a Tuesday or a Saturday. Now, this is the chart of the month March which is given to us in statement. Now, let us start with the solution. First of all, we will write the formula. That is, P of A is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. Now, this is the sample space for the month March. This is the sample space. First part is a Thursday. Count how many Thursdays are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 Thursdays. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equals to 5 and total number of possible outcomes. How many days are there in the month March? That is 31. Therefore, P of E is equals to 5 upon 31. So, therefore, P of E is equals to 5 upon 31. Now, let us start with the second part. That is a Sunday. Count how many Sundays are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equals to 4 and number of possible outcomes equals to 31. Same as of first part. Therefore, P of E is equals to 4 upon 31. Now, let us discuss the third part, that is a Tuesday or a Saturday. Children, now count how many Tuesdays and how many Saturdays are there. Then we will add both. Tuesdays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Tuesdays, Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4. Add will get 9 and number of possible outcomes same 31. Therefore, P of E is equals to 9 upon 31. So, this was all about the problem related to date of a month. So, children, this was all about today's maths class. I hope that sums related to these two types are clear to you and you will be able to solve the worksheets that has been sent to you in Snap Homework. Thank you and have a nice day.